Hello, dear viewer. I invite you to another video where it's very short and without water. I'll show and tell you the basic functionality that will be 100% useful to you in life. Well, are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to our channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button to receive more PC tips and tricks. I assume you use Windows 10 or 11 every day. But are you sure you know everything about it? I bet the chips I'm going to tell you about will really surprise you. Today I will show you 10 hidden Windows features that work in both 10 and 11 versions of Windows and really save time and nerves. Feature number 1. Let's start with the classic Windows keyboard shortcut +D. This combination minimizes all open windows, opening an overview of the desktop. Click again and the windows will return to their place. Perfect for quick access to the desired file on your desktop. Feature number 2. Did you decide to relax, have a cup of tea, or go away for a while? Use the Windows key +L to lock your computer instantly. This is a quick way to protect your computer and files from unauthorized access. You will feel more confident and comfortable knowing that your computer is protected. Feature number 3. A new built-in screenshot with the ability to select and edit the saved image of your computer screen area. Press the Windows keyboard shortcut +Shift+S. Select the area of the desktop, browser, program, or document you are interested in. Then click on the pop-up window, edit the image, and save it, or immediately paste it into the place you need. Feature number 4. If you often copy some data and paste it into documents and regularly use the clipboard, then you'll love the Windows +V keyboard shortcut. This function opens the clipboard history, allowing you to select from several copied items. This is such a cool clipboard superpower. Feature number 5. Do you want to quickly, in a couple of seconds, open the system settings of your PC? The Windows key and I. Open the Settings menu. This is a universal tool that will help you open the operating system settings menu almost instantly. Feature number 6. In Windows 10 or 11, you can open the emoji window and add them to any text, document, or message on any social network. To use this function, press the Windows key and semicolon character. Feature number 7. It happens that you don't have time or are just too lazy to type, but you really need to do it for some reason. What should be done in this case? It's not a problem if you have a built-in or external microphone. The Windows +H keyboard shortcut will trigger the text dictation function. It's a useful feature, isn't it? Okay, I'm checking in. Feature number 8. It often happens that you urgently need to find a folder or document on your PC and, as luck would have it, you don't have much time. What to do? Press the Windows +S keyboard shortcut and the search bar will open instantly. Cool thing, don't you agree? Feature number 9. One day, I was sent a scanned document of such quality that I simply could not read its contents. The accessibility feature, the screen magnifier, helped me a lot. This function can be called using the Windows keyboard shortcut and plus. Feature number 10. Finally, we have the Windows key plus tab. It opens the taskbar, which displays all open windows and virtual desktops. This is a great way to find the right document or folder, open a virtual desktop, or switch to the desired program. Well, dear viewer, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new and useful for yourself. If you don't mind, subscribe and like or dislike. Don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss the next video. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.